Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to take money out of crypto. Com UK Full Guide. Open the app, verify your identity, link your UK bank account, and access the fiat wallet to start a withdrawal. Choose GBP as the currency, select Withdraw, then pick your bank transfer method and complete 2FA. I'll show key screens, common fee points, and timing so you can confidently move funds without surprises. Before withdrawing, verify your identity and complete any KYC checks inside the crypto.com app. Link your UK bank with sort code and account number, then confirm a small test deposit. Check your fiat wallet balance, understand withdrawal limits and fees, and pick the transfer speed you want. Keep bank details accurate, save screenshots of confirmations, and ensure 2FA is enabled to prevent delays or failed transfers. Contact support promptly if anything looks wrong. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more clear guides. Quick recommendation: Robot Face. Upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum voice control, hands-off convenience that frees up time for finance tasks. Check the description for the link and other deals, and note, I only share items I use or research. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Open Crypto.com, go to Fiat Wallet, then select Withdraw and choose GBP Bank Transfer. Enter the amount, review the fee displayed, and choose transfer speed such as faster payments or standard bank transfer. Confirm recipient details, complete 2FA, and submit the request. You will see an estimated arrival time. Monitor your bank for the deposit, check for any pending holds, and be ready to provide transaction references to your bank if needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.